Kung ama ko nung nagkikasuwag usurpation.
Usurpation.
Oo. Isa pa, Ruben Padilla, papriso na to.
Sumikaso ng Ruben Padilla nga.
Ito, kaya pa sige pa. Bunggo pa de.
Bunggo.
Bunggo. Oo. So pila na lang. Matatalag 18.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. I've got a big surprise for you.
Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
I can't wait to see ya.
Monday mornings on Disney Channel.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa.
If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared.
We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world.
I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi.
Ah,
That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
This island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano!
you're going to destroy the island.
We need all the help we can get!
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little doggy.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on!
No dino's too big, no pup's too small.
I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, okay, stop, never mind.
Ang mga tinututukang balita at istorya sa #1 newscast sa bansa. Hatid ng dekalibreng anchors at hosts ng GMA Integrated News. Mel Tiangco, Vicky Morales, Emil Sumangil. Kasama sina Iya, Kuya Kim, Martin, at ang buong puwersa ng GMA Integrated News. Team 24 Oras. Reporting for duty. Weeknight, 6:30 p.m.
Magandang gabi mga kapuso. Ako po ang inyong Kuya Kim na magbibigay sa inyo ng trivia sa likod ng mga trending na balita. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, lumahok ang isang unmanned ground vehicle sa military drill ngayong taon sa Japan. Ating kilalanin si Vision 60. Sa taunang military drill ng Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, 1st Airborne Brigade sa Chiba, Japan. Nakipagsabayan sa mga nagte-training na sundalo ang robot na ito. Ito ang Vision 60, isang quadrupedal o four-legged unmanned ground vehicle. Nagawa ng US-based firm na Coast Robotics. Ang 51 kilogram na robot kaya daw maglakad ng walang tigil sa loob ng mahigit 3 oras.
Maganda ang purpose niyan kasi kakaiba siya, quadrupedal, just like a dog, is capable of adapting much more to the terrain dahil 4 ang points of contact, no? And it can adapt the position para level lagi siya. So, in situations like this, yung purpose nito is to be for assistive technology. So, you can use it for surveillance purposes, particularly yung mga high threat areas. You just give it the direction that you want it to go. And at the same time, hindi siya yung tulad na pinapalabas sa sci-fi na AI na siya yung lang iisip at siya nagde-decide ng lahat. No, this is all under operator.
Ang pagsabak Division 60 sa naturang military exercise ang siyang unang beses na inintegrate ang isang unmanned ground vehicle sa taunang training. Hindi ba ikakaila? Isa ang Japan sa pinaka-advanced na mga bansa sa mundo pagdating sa larangan ng robotics. Katunayan, 38% ng mga robot sa mundo ay gawa sa Japan. Yan ay dahil sa mataas na antas ng kanilang technology at impluensya na rin ng Japanese robot culture. Mula noong 1950s, napakaraming comics, novels at animation ng mga Hapon tungkol sa robots. Sa pagdaan ng mga dekada, napakaraming robot na ang pinakilala ng Japan sa mundo at isa ito marahil sa pinakasikat. Kilala niyo pa ba siya?
Kuya Kim, ano na?